Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you my new prototype. This is coil on plug plasma booster. Normally I have this one. This is my simple plasma booster, but this one is not suitable for this kind of application where you have individual coil mounted directly on top of the spark plug like this. You have a spark plug and you have the ignition coil mounted directly on top of the spark plug. For this one, you just put the spark plug like this and then connect the ignition coil to the booster like this. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the result. Here I have the booster installed, this one, and for comparison I have another one without booster. Okay, this booster has only one cable. This is the ground cable. So in this one you don't have high voltage cable anymore, because the high voltage is going directly inside of the booster to the spark plug, and you have only one cable for the ground connection. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the igniter. Okay, I'm going to show you the devices. This is the power supply. This is the interrupter or igniter, and here I have two identical ignition coils, one connected directly to the spark plug and the other one is connected through the COP plasma booster. Okay, and this COP plasma booster has one ground cable. Now I'm going to turn on the interrupter. Now I'm going to connect the ground cable. Again, I'm going to turn on the igniter. Again, The connection is very simple. You just have to put the booster on top of the spark plug like this, and then you just have to connect the booster to the ignition coil like this, and then you have already the plasma booster installed. Okay, I think that's it for now. Until next video, bye bye.